of our new leaders, where they will be felicitated with badges and sashes, followed by the oath-taking ceremony. As our young leaders stand before us today, we see the future of our school shining bright with integrity and determination. Let's give them a big round of applause.
We are proud to witness the rise of tomorrow's change makers. Leadership is the ability to guide and inspire others to achieve greatness and shine during the challenges and crises. Our leaders now stand ready to serve. We salute your spirit.
Today is a momentous occasion that fills us with pride and joy. It marks a significant milestone in our school journey. The Student School Council plays a prominent role to promote leadership, responsibility, discipline, and teamwork among the students. They serve as a bridge between the student body and the school administration.
We are confident enough that our newly elected council members will reflect those values and work tirelessly to make our school even a better place. Now, it's time for the most awaited moment. Let us begin the ceremony.
Now we invite our principal sir and vice principal ma'am make an appearance on the dais to honor them with badges and sashes. Is being honored as the head boy of our school. Sir, please acknowledge him with badges and sashes. I would like to request principal sir to acknowledge him. Please give a huge round of applause for him. He's so exemplary, responsible, and a natural leader.
She is approachable, inspiring, and a beacon of leadership, embodying a grace and determination.
Give a huge round of applause for her. Make some noise, everyone, for the future leaders of our school.
Badge and sash. Applause, everyone. They have worked hard for it.
Place that as I will respect and abide by the rules and regulations of the school. I will uphold the values and dignity of my school. I promise to carry out my duties with honesty, dedication, and a deep sense of responsibility. I place that under the able guide and will try my level best to promote a positive and inclusive environment, strive for excellence,
Coming is a success.
Now,
I solemnly
we would request the house masters of I would like to request Meenakshi ma'am to have
Miss Ayushi Pathak of class 9C is being appointed as cultural prefect. Ma'am, please acknowledge her with badges and sash.
give a huge round of applause for her.
Clap louder, everyone. They truly deserve this honor.
Meenakshi Sharma ma'am to acknowledge her with badges and shashes. Please give a huge round of applause for her.
Master Shubham Kumar from class 9B is being appointed as the sports prefect. Sir, please acknowledge him.
Solemnly pledge that as a I'll respect and abide by the rules and regulations of the house. I will uphold the values and dignity of my house. I promise to carry out my duties with honesty, dedication, and a deep sense of responsibility. I pledge that under the able guidance of the housemaster, I'll try my level best to promote a positive and inclusive environment, strive for excellence in every endeavor, and contribute wholeheartedly to the growth and glory of my house. Thank you. Now then, sir, please acknowledge him.
Miss Amidija of class 9B is being appointed as the cultural prefect. Ma'am, please acknowledge her.
I solemnly place that as a I will respect and abide by the rules and regulations of the house. I will uphold the values and dignity of my house. I promise to carry out my duties with honesty, dedication, and a deep sense of responsibility. I place that under the able guidance of housemaster. I will try my level best to promote a positive and inclusive environment. Strive for excellence in every endeavor and contribution wholeheartedly to the growth and glory of my house.
Inspiring and a beacon of leadership, embodying grace and determination. Please give a huge round of applause for her.
Master Krish Singh of class 11th is being appointed as the housewife captain. Sir, please acknowledge him.
दिमाग से गया जाने तो इधर किनारे से
Appointed as junior housewife captain. Sir, please acknowledge him.
Now, I would like to invite Ms. Manshi Singh of 11th B. She is being appointed as the Cultural Secretary of Ravi House. Please give a huge round of applause for her.
Ms. Kanishka Tiwari of class 9C is being appointed as the cultural prefect. Ma'am, please acknowledge her.
Of 11th B, he is being appointed as the Sports Secretary of Ravi House. Please give a huge round of applause for him.
Master Ujjwal Rai of class 9C is being appointed as sports prefect. Sir, please acknowledge him with badge and sash.
किनारे पे रहेंगे फोटो ले लीजिए
I will respect by the rule and regulation of the house. I will uphold the value, dignity of my house. I promise to carry out my duties with honesty, dedication, and a deep sense of responsibility. I, under the able guidance of the house master, I will try my level best to promote a positive and inclusive environment. Strive for excellence in every endeavor and contribute wholeheartedly to the growth and glory of my house.
As a literary club of our school. Ma'am, please acknowledge him with bell.
बीच में बुला लीजिएगा
Yes, welcome.
And the house leaders. Already sir has extended the vote of thanks to each and every one of you. So I don't think it will be a repetition if I am, and that too considering the hot weather, I am not attempting for that. My sincere gratitude to the leader of our school, our principal sir, for organizing this event, guiding us in every aspect. So I request all the students to give a loud round of applause for our principal sir. Behind this grand success of this program, both the PT teachers, our activity in charges, Rajamol ma'am and Ashish sir, though they are not here right now, and all the students who had been a part of this event. Thank you everyone.
जैसे आई थी अपनी जगह अपनी जगह पे अपने सामने हाँ नेशनल एंथम